Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining the session today. So before starting the session, I just want to take a moment and try to help you with the complete information about the Raj Cloud Technologies and what are the trainings that we are offering right now and about our social media handles. So all these things I'll be just helping with you. Okay. So let us start with our YouTube channel. So just go to the Chrome and search for Raj Informatica, Raj Cloud Technologies YouTube channel. You can just see like this. Just click on that. Once you enter to the YouTube, this is our official YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-On Job-Based Training. Okay, so here you can see here we have almost 36,200 plus subscribers are already there. Okay, and so we have already uploaded more than 500 plus videos here. If you just go to the video section, you can find out many videos related to Azure, Snowflake, Salesforce, AWS, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, Power BI, SAP FICO, cyber security, and many more. Okay, there are many useful videos available for you in our YouTube channel. Just visit our channel once. If you want to start your career, or if you want to switch your current domain, or if you want to upskill in your career, so there are many videos available for you here with interview questions, material, everything is available here. So just visit our YouTube channel once so that you will understand what the videos are available here. If you like our content, like the video, comment on them and subscribe to the channel for more videos. I have shared you the channel link with you. Using this channel link, you can just subscribe to our channel and then you can go ahead. Okay. Yes. So let me show you the Instagram page as well. We have Instagram page too. This is our Instagram page. Okay. Raj Informatica. And we specifically posting the job openings here. Okay. We specifically posting job openings here. So you can just see here, there is a highlights called job openings. Whenever there is some opening available related to any of the courses, not only particularly SAP, on all our courses like generative AI, IDQ, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, okay, on all our platforms, we will be posting the job updates here in this particular Instagram account. So this is our official Instagram account, Raj Informatica. If you can just search for Raj Informatica, you can find out this, or else you can use this profile link. I have just shared you the profile link now. Using this link, you can just follow us and you'll get all the updates. Whenever we post something here, you can get the update and you can apply for that particular opportunity. Got it? Yes. And we have a website as well, that is rajinformatica.com. Okay. Rajinformatica.com. You can see here, this is as a Raj Cloud Technologies. You might got a question that many places it is mentioned as Raj Informatica, and here you can see as a Raj Cloud Technologies. Initially, we started with only one particular training, that is Informatica Power Center. So we named it as Raj Informatica. So later on, we have added many courses. So from there, we have just changed the name from Raj Informatica to Raj Cloud Technologies. So this is the window, this is the home page where you can see on the left top corner, you can see this Raj Informatica is now Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, Raj Cloud Technologies. This is the website actually. If you just scroll down a bit, you can see what are the trainings that we are offering right now. Okay. Yes, we are starting. Just give us another 2 minutes. The class will start. Okay. Yeah. So we are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, artificial intelligence plus machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI, AWS and DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, GCP professional certification training, Python for full stack, Python for data science, Python for AI and chat GPT, and Salesforce. These are the courses available right now in Raj Cloud Technologies. In this page, there is some special section available for you to attend our free live sessions. Okay. There is a separate section called upcoming free live session section, where you can get the complete links for all our upcoming classes. Okay. You can see here today also we have a free live session, that is SAP S4 HANA and FICO. free live session 12th November at 8 p.m. Okay. And tomorrow we have Informatica Cloud at 8 p.m. And day after tomorrow we have Informatica IDQ and CDQ at 7 p.m. So this is how, like, if there is any free live session is scheduled here, you can just check the website, so that like from here you can just like click on join now and you can apply for the link. Apart from these things, like we have interview questions, materials, internship programs, and so we have a jobs as well. Okay, I'll explain you about these jobs at the end. Okay, I'll show you like how to apply for the jobs directly from our website. Okay, you don't want to go to the Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, and other job platforms. You can directly apply it from Raj Cloud Technologies itself. I'll help you at the end of the session how to apply for the jobs and all. Okay, just stay connected till end of the session. You are going to get the complete information about this, and there is some special offer available for the people who ever attended the demo today. So you are going to get the complete information on this. Just stay connected till end of the session. We are going to discuss about all these things. Okay. Now I'm going to like just take a 1 minute of short break, and I'll just like take you to the session. Just give me a second. So hope you can see my screen. So please drop your name and WhatsApp number. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number. Okay, in the chat I have just like mentioned you. Just drop your name and WhatsApp number. We will be just adding you to all our WhatsApp groups as well. 1 second, just give me a moment. Yeah, you can just drop your name and WhatsApp numbers, so that like we can share you today's session recording as well. And we are also going to add you in our WhatsApp groups, where you can get the complete updates of our SAP course and about the job openings and many things you'll be getting here in this particular group. So I'll just start a timer for 1 minute. In sharp 1 minute, I'm going to like hand over the trainer session to the trainer. Okay, you can, sorry, just a second, please. Yeah, I have just started the timer. It will take you just 1 minute. Okay, so just drop your name and WhatsApp number here, so that like we can add you to our WhatsApp group as well. And I'll share today's session recording as well. Okay, I'll share today's session recording as well. Within 1 minute, like we'll be starting the technical content as well. Just stay connected, please. Yeah, so I hope like everyone have shared your name and WhatsApp numbers here. If you haven't shared, so still the chat will be open itself. You can keep posting your name and WhatsApp number here, so that like you'll get all our updates. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all for sharing your contacts. Just to stay connected till end of the session. You are going to get the complete information here. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Deeptikar, over to you, please.
Yeah, thank you. Good evening, all. Thank you for joining the session. My name is Dipti. I'm SAP FICO instructor. So today we are going to go through the overview, like how what we cover in this particular course for SAP S4 HANA FICO. So I'm just sharing my screen. So this today we are going to cover the demo for SAP S4 HANA FICO course. So today's agenda is introduction to SAP. What are the different functionalities are which are available in SAP, new features, and then we can go ahead with question answers. So first of all, what is SAP? SAP stands for System, Application, and Product in data processing. So SAP is the short form for System, Application, and Product in data processing. SAP is a ERP system. So ERP system allow us to use the fully integrated business system with the real-time scenarios. So you can use the same software, that is SAP, in all the departments of of your company. So it allows you to proceed with the end-to-end transaction, starting from your sales till customer receipt, and starting from your purchases till vendor payment. If all the modules are using, all the departments are using SAP as their software, then it gives us the benefit to provide with end-to-end transactions that you can proceed. So it is the SAP S4 HANA is the latest version of SAP as a ERP system. So it is running on the SAP S4 HANA. That is, HANA is the name of the database, and S4 is the fourth generation for SAP. SAP actually started its functions in 1972. SAP is a German company. It is located in Germany, Wardrobe City. So the company had started in on 1st April 1972. Since that till now, it has almost completed 50 plus years, and it has gone through different changes or different innovations, we can say. So HANA is the fourth major generation. That's why the name of SAP S4 is, it is the SAP's fourth generation, and it is called as HANA because it's the name of the database. So this all about the data that particularly we are going to proceed with is the fourth generation, that is HANA. So HANA is the name of the database and SAP S4 is the name of the module. So for this we have different modules which are getting covered in SAP. So in SAP S4 HANA we have modules for finance, that is FI, which deals with accounting. Sales and distribution, it stands for sales department. Materials management, it deals with your procurement, that is purchase department. Plant maintenance, PM. Production planning, shop floor activities or production department. HCM or HR, human resource, HR department. Controlling deals with your costing department. Project system, overall how to handle the project. Quality management, the quality of your particular material or product that you are purchasing. So you can go ahead with the quality check with quality management. So these, if you observe, these are different actual departments in your company. So all these departments can use SAP as their own software. So these are the modules. In SAP terminology we call it as a module. Now the next one which we are going to learn about is SAP FI. So in SAP FI, these are the different topics that we are going to cover. So we have a topics like, first we have to complete the organizational structure, then general ledger, leading and non-leading ledger functionality which is there in SAP, account receivable, accounts payable, bank accounting, asset accounting, taxes on sale purchase, withholding tax, that is your income tax. So all these are the topics. So usually you will find that these are the topics which are mainly getting handled for the accounting purpose. Same topics we are going to cover in SAP as the financial accounting topics. So the full form of FI is financial accounting. Now, when we talk about the organizational structure, here what we have to do, let us assume that your client is using some different system earlier, that is Tally or any other legacy system, and now they wish to switch from legacy to SAP. So we have to start with the project as the organizational structure, even by defining or starting with the name of the company. So we need to design the name of the company as company code. Then we will need to be defining the business area segments which are there as per the requirement of a client. You also need to do the setup of accounts payable and account receivable. Then all the postings will be getting entered or posted in your financial statements with in general ledger. So we will create or prepare the financial statements. So it starts with the organizational structure. Then after organizational structure, we need to create the general ledgers. So general ledger, when we talk about, it is considered as the main ledger, because GL or general ledger always represents final balances with which you can prepare the financial statements. So all the data from all the module finally get posted to general ledger. So when we talk about the general ledger, so in SAP, you can actually create the GL master data. So I'm sharing SAP screen, like we can create the final setup of GL master data as per the requirement of a client. And like this, you can actually work with this. See, you can actually work with, like, we have different type of GL accounts created. So expenses account, income account, bank accounts, debtor, creditor, cash account, depreciation, main asset. So all type of GL master data you need to create as per the requirement of a client. So in FS00 is the transaction code in which we prepare the financial data for the GL masters. So GL masters are the men with which your financial statements are presented. After with the GL, then you can post the entries using different transactions which allow you to post the entry with debit credit, and then you can actually post the entry, that is document, in SAP system using the GL master records. So GL account help you to proceed with the actual data that you are going to create. So every data which is getting posted in different accounting finally will be gathered in your GL as a main ledger, and then it will be helping you to represent your financial statements. So this is about the general ledger. Then the next topic we cover is about account receivable. Now, as the word said receivable, it means we have to receive the amount from customer. So receivable deals with the actual receivables that we are going to receive from customer after posting the invoices. So we will create or post the invoices, and then after that we will receiving the payment. So in SAP we have to create the debtors GL, then we need to create the customer related master data. So for customer and vendor related master data, we can use the transaction called as BP. BP means business partner. So you can create actually the data for customer and vendor as per the requirement by providing the normal details of customer vendor. We can assign the debtors creditors GL respectively if it is customer or vendor, and then with this you can actually post the invoices for customer, wherein you will be able to post the entry for customer to sales. So it will generate the accounting entry for you to wherein you have posted the sales entry, and then you can receive the payment from customer. So all these transactions will be getting handled in your account receivable module. So when we try to talk about the FI related entry, these will be posting the non-material entries, and material entries will be posted through SD module. So when we talk about the SD stands for sales and distribution module. So in SD module, there will be a different consultant who will be doing the configuration for SD. But finally, when we will be handing over the system to the client, we will be doing integration of FI with SD module. That is also we are going to learn. So when we talk about the integration, we will be doing setup in such a way that whenever there will be sales order, then we will not be having any kind of accounting entry getting posted. But when we do the goods issue, that is we are delivering the material to the customer, then accounting entry for delivery of material, wherein your finished stock will be getting reduced and cost of goods sold will be getting debited, the accounting entry will get posted automatically because of the configuration that we are going to perform. Then in SD module, they prepare the billing document or invoice, and then it posts the entry automatically from customer to sales. That accounting entry will be getting posted automatically, and then you can make the payment of actual invoices that are created as open item. So for those you can make the payment through FI module. So this is called as integrated account receivable, wherein we will be learning about FI and SD integration, and with normal only FI related entries we will be creating the entry for account receivable. Non-material invoices will be getting posted in FI module. So we will be getting the reports such as customer analysis, aging report, individual customer balances, individual customer line items. Apart from this, we will be doing dunning, Dunning means we can send the reminder to the customer if they are not paying the amount on time within the time, then we can send the reminder letter to the customer. That is called as dunning procedure. We can also post the foreign currency related transaction for customer and vendor, wherein you can actually book the exchange rate gain and loss related differences. We can also create the payment terms which are again applicable to both customer vendors, where we can do installment payment. We can pay within like 15 days, 30 days, that per the terms that you decide. Even if we are paying amount earlier to the vendor, or we are receiving the payment earlier than the due date of the from the customer, then we can give the discount to the customer, the cash discount, or we can receive the discount from vendor. So cash discount GLs will be getting determined automatically. Then we can have a scenario related to down payment, that is the advance that we have received from customer. So advance and final invoices, then the remaining payment to be given, to be received from customer. So all these scenarios are getting covered apart from this through account receivable module. So account receivable deals with the customer related postings. The next topic that we cover is about accounts payable. Accounts payable functionality deals with the payables, that is vendor related postings or supplier related posting. So functionality of AP, that is accounts payable, is exactly opposite to account receivable. So in receivable we receive the payment, in payable we try to make the payment to the vendor. So here again, when we try to create the payable related data, we need to create the business partner as a vendor. So here you will again create the business partner for vendor, and as a vendor, when you create the data, you need to assign the particular GL of sundry creditors, and the name and address of the vendor will be updated. Then with this data, you can post the customer related non-material invoices. For example, let us say I have purchased office stationery. For office stationery, I do not have a material code, but it is an invoice which is created in such a way that I have purchased office stationery of 5,000 rupees for my office. So such type of non-material entries we can post using FB60, that is vendor invoice related transaction in FI, wherein your expenses are getting debited and vendor will be getting credited. So it will have different document type, different number ranges which are getting picked up, and it will help you to identify easily which is a FI related invoice and which is the invoice that you are going to get from other module. So in FI, we can proceed with the non-material invoices, which will be updating your entry for creditors as open item. And also you can make the payment to vendor manual payment by using F-53 T code. So it allows you to make the vendor payment by proceeding the uh, entry related to payment. Okay, so this is about the entry which we are posting about the payable as a non-material entry. Then finally, when we talk about the material related entry, system will be posting the non-material entry, material related entry through module. stands for materials management. So in again, they have to person or consultant, they will be creating the purchase order. So in case of purchase order, there will be no accounting entry because it is just confirmation of order we are sending to vendor. After that, we will be receiving the raw material. So in case of goods receipt, the entry of accounting will be getting generated automatically in the backend because of the FIMM integration configuration. Then we will be generating the final invoice in module for the material related part, and then your invoice will be processed as an open item. The entry will be posted to FI module. So this integrated part will be handled with integration of FI and related configuration. And once we get the particular invoice as an open item in SAP, then we can make the payment to vendor by doing manual payment. If you are doing, we can use the F-53 trick code which I have shown just now. And if we can do use to have a different mode of payment, when we can go for the bank related topic. So account receivable and payable, these are the topics which are getting handled from as well as to FI, and from SD as well as through FI. So FIMM and FISD integration also is getting covered here. Okay. So the next topic after this we will be having is about the bank accounting. So bank accounting, actually when we talk about here in bank accounting, we try to handle the data related to bank. So for my company, we will have different accounts that are created in we have different accounts in different banks. So those banks need to be created as house bank in SAP. House bank means your company's own bank account. So it will be created with particular setup of a particular setup of configuration through different transactions, and then your actual account number provided to you by the bank is updated, the name of the bank is updated, branch is updated. Also it allow you to update the data related to GL account, so we can assign the bank account GL in configuration. So whenever we post the entry through some automatic parameters, system will pick up the GL automatically. So to make the setup of bank, we have a T code called as FI12 in SAP, which provide us the data to be created for the banks. So here you will find that we have bank account, like I have a HDFC Bank, IDBI Bank. In IDBI Bank, I may have different type of accounts that are created. So you can create IDBI current account, saving account, and this allow you to have the bank account number to be updated by bank. We can assign the GL account which will be getting picked up for the transaction. So all this data will be created by SAP by bank accounting. So when we talk about the bank accounting, then you may have a scenario for paying the payment through check or paying the payment through bank transfer. So you can handle these scenarios by doing the configuration for manual check, or we have a concept called as automatic payment program, wherein we can define our own payment methods. We can limit the amount that can be transferred. You can also create the bank transfer files. You can create and print the check also. You can do multiple payments of vendor together for customer and vendor by using this uh, configuration for bank accounting. So this is how the house bank and bank related data looks like. So this is about the bank accounting. Okay. Then the next part we handle in SAP, it's called as asset accounting. Now asset accounting is also a very important topic from finance point of view. Here we try to handle the data related to asset. So we have a asset that is created. So first we have a asset class. Asset class tells us about different type of assets that we are creating. Means, is it a building, vehicle, machines, fixture, furniture, plant and machinery, like this. And then under that we have different master records. Individual assets are created. They are already assigned with GL account, and then they represents the financial statements. Under asset we have fixed asset minus depreciation. So through this topic, you can actually be able to create or post the entries related to asset accounting. Here you can have different type of asset transactions done, like we can purchase the asset. You can do the depreciation run for the asset. We can retire the asset. You can assign the GLs, and by doing the new asset accounting functionality, you can get the reporting through a regular books of account as well as parallel accounting. That is, if you want to have different depreciation rate or amount to be posted as per IFRS or as per GAAP, so those are also now the possibility in S4 HANA that you can post different depreciations in real time, which was not a case earlier, but now S4 HANA allow you to have that functionality. So it is called as new asset accounting. So by doing this asset related transaction, you can create the different type of asset. In FS00, you can create the asset related GLs like accumulated depreciation GL. So this is accumulated depreciation GL. You can create depreciation as an expense GL. You can create. We can also create the GL account for main asset account. That is your plant and machinery as a main asset, accumulated depreciation, sale of asset, profit on sale. If you are retiring the asset by selling the asset, then you may have the entry posted for retirement with profit or loss on sale of asset. That also gets updated. So we have different reports in asset which are available. So this tells you about the asset related asset explorer report tells you about different assets which are available. So all these transaction allows you to proceed with the data. So different transactions are posted here, and you can actually go with different, like IFRS related reporting, then your India accounting standard related reporting. So based on that, you can actually post each and every transaction as per the client requirement. So this is what we handle it in the part of asset accounting related. data. Now, apart from this asset, we are handling the topic related to taxes on sale purchase. So, wherein we cover the configuration related to GST, how the percentage to be calculated, how the entry to be posted using system automatically picks up the GL, and then based on your percentage, how system calculates the taxes. So, this is about taxes on sale purchase. After that, we also cover the topic for withholding tax, that is your income tax, wherein you will have a particular data created as per the sections of Income Tax Act, and they, with those percentage, system will create the entry when you post invoice. Your amount of vendor payable will be reduced, and it will be getting posted as a liability to your actual withholding tax, TDS related GL. So such type of entry, how to perform, that is what we cover under withholding tax. Then we also have a topic called as leading ledger, non-leading ledger, which allow you to have the functionality of parallel currency, parallel ledger reporting, by which you can get the reporting for same amount. Even if you are posting the currency INR for your local currency document, but your client need a require or have a requirement to get posted the same document in USD. So it can be possible to post some such type of entry or such type of amount by using different currency because of this parallel currency reporting. So parallel ledger, parallel currency, it allow you to get different reporting based on leading and non-leading ledger functionality. So these all are the topics which we are covering under the FI module. Let me go through, like, do you have any doubt?
Now everyone, you have unmute access as well. You can just like unmute yourself and you can raise your questions also.
Yeah, I mean, for FI, if you have, so we can go for CO as well. I mean, we still have CO, but for FI, if you have any questions posted, I'm just checking. No? Anyone? You have any topic related to FI if you have any doubt? Or if not, then we can go for apart from FI, we have a CO module, SAP CO controlling. So in controlling also, FI CO actually is a different, these two are different module. FI stands for accounting, controlling stands for costing department. But now when we talk about the FI CO module, in costing we have to cover the basic part, that is controlling related organizational structure. So here we will be covering the organizational structure of controlling, wherein you can assign your company code under controlling area, and controlling area allows you to create a reporting which focuses on internal reporting. So management need to decide how to increase the profitability, how to check the reports internally. So these are the reports which are called as internal reporting, because it is a management accounting requirement. It is not something that you are publishing outside. Your financial statement can get published outside, but your internal management requirement is like such that you have to control the cost. That is what we try to cover with costing. So we have to cover about need to cover the basic organizational structure for controlling. Then we, these are different concepts which we need to cover under the controlling organizational unit. Then we have cost elements. So your GL from which you want to transfer the data from FI to CO module, costing module, for the purpose of reporting, those GLs will be created as a cost element, and those need to be created as a cost element so that it can be called as a carrier of a cost. From FI to CO modules, they will carry actual cost, and the planned cost can be updated by the costing team, and then they can do the comparison of plan versus actual for the amount that you have posted. So cost elements are nothing but your GL accounts, but they have additional parameter to be given to create it as a cost element. So it allow you to carry the cost from FI to CO module. Then cost centers, these are called as overhead management reporting. Overhead means expenses. So they try to cover or update the entries related to your departments or location, whatever it is. So department wise, you want to update the cost that you have incurred, and then you can uh, wish to have the control, like how to reduce the cost for the cost center or department, and how you can have the particular action to be taken, that you can decide or management can decide based on cost center reporting. Profit center, it allows us to have the functionality for posting related to revenue. So revenue related posting and reporting can be done using profit centers. So these can be your location, or these can be your product, whatever you want to have that information for your revenue, you can create them as a profit center. And internal order is also the one which have a overhead management, which is also called as overhead management. But we already have cost centers which capture ongoing expenses or overheads, and internal order is about the temporary order, right? I have to organize the exhibition for my company's product for 3 days. So whatever expenses you are getting incurred for those 3 days, that you can capture. You have any building under construction, for that you want to capture expenses and then you want to settle it. So temporary or make to order scenario, when we talk about, like wherein we have to manufacture the particular order based on the requirement of a client, design it in that way. So such type of scenarios are covered under this internal order. So this is about the CO related topic. And apart from that, the new feature that we got in HANA, our real-time analytics can be done. Because of the in-memory database, the system performance is very fast. We have SAP Fiori, which is a modern interface which allow you to open the end user transactions and reporting in web page link like a cloud technology. So that is also now a part of this S4 HANA. Universal Journal Table, that is AC Doka, is the table which allows you to post the data or get stored the data in single table. So traditional tables are still there, but apart from that, SAP has launched this universal journal table which stores the data for FI as well as CO. So it allows you to prepare the reporting or check the data with a single table. So it allows you to perform the reporting also fast, and SAP provides us with the best practices. So it offers us with the ready to use standard scenarios, and the company codes are also available in server. So you can copy those company codes and best practices scenario, if they are standard scenario which are applicable to you, you can use them, and it becomes easy and faster for a company to implement the project. So such type of new features are now available in S4 HANA. So this is all about the different aspects of S4 HANA. So now you can unmute yourself and ask the questions if you have any. So we have completed the overview, so you can go ahead with your questions now. Any doubt, anyone, about the FICO related topics? You can post your query in chat, or you can unmute yourself and ask the questions. Any doubt, anyone? Any information, anything you want to ask as a query, you can ask.
How many days of course duration?
It is around 2 months.
Okay. Every
Yeah.
day 1 hour?
We will be having sessions from Monday to Friday, daily, like one and a half hour. So it will be covering within 60 days. That is 2 months timeline, tentatively.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
CO, when we talk about CO, basically is there for the reporting purpose, and the internal management means it need a control on the cost. I mean, we have to control the cost. We have to reduce the expenses from company's point of view, and we need to increase the profitability. So to observe those report, compare them with the planned value, and then the actual data that we are posting, to compare that, and wherever action need to be taken to reduce the cost, that will be taken care by costing department. So that is how we manage it in costing related module. Welcome. Any other doubt, anyone? If you have any technical queries related to FICO, any doubt, you are free to ask. You can unmute yourself or post it in a chat also. That is also fine. So we can answer your queries. Yes, we require finance background, but we can, we mainly need 3-4 topics, not that any very advanced level accounting. So even if there is a gap or you're not from finance background, we will help you out to understand, to learn, like we will let you know which topics to learn, and it will help you to understand FICO easily. Okay? Any other query, anyone? If you have any technical query about FICO or anything, you can ask, or if not, then we can hand over the session to the team so they can let you know about next options which are available or different information regarding this course. I think there is no technical query. So Karthik, you can take it over from here.
Hello all, this is Karthik again from Raj Cloud Technologies. Can you just confirm me if you have any doubts regarding the technical things? Okay, you can just unmute yourself and you can ask your question so that we can help you more. So if you don't have any technical question, just let me take over the session from here and I'll help you with the further things actually. As no one have asked any questions, I hope you are clear with the technical content, whatever you got till now. So let me just take over from here and I'll explain you about the job program, how it will be and how we'll be explaining you everything. I'll just try to tell you here. So you can see my screen, right? You can see my screen, right? So right after completion of your training, what we do here is we'll start your profile building. Okay, we'll start your profile building, how to answer from tell me about yourself question. We will take over from that and we'll help you. So once you see, if you want to switch from a different domain, yes, you can switch. If you have any career gap, if you want to kickstart again into the IT, yes, you can go for it. Okay, so if you have any if you're already working in a finance or finance domain in any other technologies also, if you want to switch easily, yes, you can switch easily and you can go ahead here. So here we will be helping you with the complete end-to-end real-time training, real-time projects as well, interview questions, resume preparation, everything will be done here. So if you ask me why I need to choose Raj Cloud Technologies, I'll show you something here now. So you can see here there is a jobs, right? If you just click on this, there are few jobs available here. Okay. So if you join any other institutes, how they do is, they'll just try to help you with your resume and they'll help you how to apply for the jobs on different platforms. That's it. But here, what we do here is we will find the opportunities for you, because the many people don't know after completion of their course also how to apply for the opportunities, which opportunities will suits me first of all. If I learn something like AWS data engineering, okay, so on AWS data engineering, there are many job roles are there. Okay, there are many different type of roles and responsibilities are there. Which one will matches to my training? Which one I can supposed to work on that? So even if after completion of this FICO training, so which profile I can apply for? So if you just see a new job profile, so there you will get a doubt that so really my training meets all these requirements or not, because once I attend the interview I should not be in a blank space. correct? Many people will think this one. So to avoid this confusion, to avoid this like all these like hesitation from your end, so what we are going to do is we are going to like search the opportunities for you on behalf of you. Okay, what we do, we'll go for all the job platforms on a daily basis, and we will check the opportunities like what posted on that particular day for SAP FICO, and we'll try to find out all opportunities from Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and many other job platforms as well. Okay, so if that requirement meets us, if that requirement we can fulfill from Raj Cloud Technologies students, if we can fulfill that requirement, what we do, we'll take that and we'll put in our website here. This is a job platform, right? So now we have just like recently it was announced, okay, 2 days back itself it was announced. So what we have done is, so we have just kept it publicly for everyone for few days. So once after complete updated, so this will be available for only enrolled students. After whoever paid, whoever completed their course, only for them this is accessible. Okay, from there you can start accessing the things. You can see here, if you just go to the filter, see, if you can see here, there are like an ISS course is this, test engineer is there, data engineer is there, application developer is there. There are many job roles are here, but I just like want to apply for FICO opportunities. I'll go to the like search option here. There is a filter is there. So all topics related to, if you can see here, these are the courses that we are offering right now. All these courses, okay. I am selecting SAP FICO. Okay, there are 3 opportunities updated. So these opportunities are related to 1 to 2 years, 1 to 10 years, 0 to 3 years. Even the fresher can apply for this. Okay, this is in Hyderabad, Telangana. This is from Mumbai, and this is from Noida. Okay, you can see here. If you just click on this, you can see more about that particular profile. Job is posted by Deloitte, and if you just scroll down, you can see here there is only 1 to 10 years of experience is there. Job location is Mumbai, and this is a full-time opportunity. Okay, this is what the information that we have on this particular job role. If you just select the other one, you can see here, okay, what are the job description is there, what are the job responsibilities there, what is the minimum qualification. Okay, so see, for this is a MBA finance one. Okay, only MBA people can apply for this. Okay, so this is how like we will be posting the many job openings for you, many job openings for you on this profile, where you can easily apply for it, where you can easily apply for it. See, you can see here, for this job role any graduation is fine. If you are graduated, you are eligible for this. If you have knowledge on this particular FICO platform, then you can apply for it. You can just drop your name, email ID, your mobile number, and your resume here, and by clicking on the submit button, you will be like applying for this particular position. Okay, this is how like we will help you for the opportunities as well, and we will try to help you from the basic question like how to answer the tell me about yourself question. Okay, so how to answer confidently about these things, and each and every part will try to help you here. Okay, this is how like how we function here. And our training institute main theme is, if someone enrolls to Raj Cloud Technologies without proxy, without job support, they should get their job and they should survive in the company. Okay, this is how like we have fixed our minds, and this is how like we function our complete training institute and everyone. Okay, even our instructors and everyone. Okay, from last 4.5 years, this is what we have done, and we have already placed like more than 15,000 plus people on different companies from last 4.5 years on different technologies right now. Okay, so this is how we are functioning. This is our growth. So this is what make you more difference when compared with all other institutes. Got it? Yes. So if you still have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, just drop your name and WhatsApp number over chat. My team will share you the today's session recording with you. So you can just go to the recording and you can come back to us. And if you have any questions, see, today there is some special offers available. Okay, if you can see here, if you just go to the home, and if you can just see here, there is no offers available on the website. But the people who ever joined today's demo, only for you, there is a flat 15% discount available. This 15% is available only today. Till yesterday also, like we have provided some offer, that is only 10% is available. Only today, the people who have joined this demo and watching the recording, only for you people. So this is today is like 12th of, sorry, just a second. I think today is the 12th, right? Yes, 12th of November. So only on 12th of November and 13th of November, you will be getting this course with 15% discount. Okay, you can search. See, if you want to compare our training concepts and everything, you can just take my curriculum, take 1 to 2 demo videos, go to the Google, compare with any institute. If you find the cheaper, the same content, if you feel that anywhere I'm getting this course for only 20,000 rupees or 16,000 rupees or 12,000 rupees, you just take that content and come to me. I will give you 1,000 rupees less than that. If someone is offering this course for only 5,000 rupees, I'll offer this for only 4,000 rupees. Okay. This content, this quality content and our assistance, no one can give it from any institute. If you want, you can search and you can come back to me. I'll surely provide you the best discount as well. As I said you, if they are offering for 5,000 rupees, I'll offer you for 1,000 rupees less than that price. Okay. You can get the course for only 4,000 rupees also. Not a problem. Got it? And we will be available every day from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. Morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. we will be available. Monday to Sunday, all days we will be available. Monday to Sunday, all days we will be available. Throughout year 365 days, like we will be working on. There is a no closure for Raj Cloud Technologies from last 4.5 years. We haven't closed in any day. Someone will be there in the office and they'll be taking your call and they'll be assisting you for sure. This is how like we have like bought this company to #1 training institute in the Bangalore and online platforms as well. Okay, so if you want, you can just contact us on this number 8105296858 for more details. Okay, you can just contact us on this number for more information as well. Or if you want to enroll from the website directly, yes, you can enroll. We accept all the payment modes like UPI, bank transfer, net banking, okay, credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. Okay, so and like Wise Pay and like all other international transaction modes also we accept here. No need to worry about that. You can use any of your payment mode and you can go ahead. Got it? So any questions, you can message me, please. There is a message. Just let me take up that. See, Guru, I'll just tell you something here. See, this question is from many people as well, right? So if there is any offline course that will be better for me, okay, I'll tell you one scenario now, okay? So now our instructor is there, Dipti. She's working, okay, she's working from morning or 10 to evening 8. She's working in a company actually, okay? So 10 to 8, after working in a company, do you think that she can come to in a training institute nearby to her house and she can deliver the classes? Obviously, no. Okay. In the same way, see, Deepti is from Mumbai and we are from Bangalore. I'm not sure like you are from different locations you have joined today. As see, I can hire from Bangalore as well. Why I particularly hired Deepti is so we have seen that like how she have taken her commitment towards the students in her previous batches, in her previous trainings as well. How the success rate we have seen her. So after seeing all these things, after seeing many factors, we have considered her and we have hired her for this particular SAP training. Okay, so I can hire someone from the Bangalore as well with a minimal price, like who is having like a 3 years experience or 4 years experience also. Okay, they can come to me here in the training institute and they can deliver the offline as well. But the thing here is these people are not working people. Okay, if you take a training from a working candidate, you can get the complete real-time knowledge and see something deeply, something like there she learned something new in her office today, something new option was introduced in SAP FICO. So what she can do is she can teach her students the next day itself because she learned today already. So if someone who is taking the classes in offline, okay, so he will be sure he will be not a working candidate actually. Okay, so he will be like he or she will be like teaching the classes like morning one batch, afternoon one batch, evening one batch. If you learn from these type of candidates, any course, any technology, okay, you cannot get the real time knowledge. You can get the textbook knowledge. You can get the like knowledge like whatever we got in our colleges, whatever like we got in our in our graduation days, okay, whatever we got on those days. So like the same knowledge you can get it, but you cannot get the real time knowledge which really helpful for you to work in the companies like once you got the opportunity. Got it? This is the major difference between the online and offline. So don't go for offline classes if you are going for IT. I won't recommend for IT people. If you are taking any technology, whatever it is, okay, even if you are going for the SQL or like Informatica or Azure or Snowflake or something else, don't go for offline. See, in an offline institute, whoever he is teaching, he may be taking a multiple batches like morning, afternoon, and evening and night. That's it. He cannot go and work in a company and he can come back to the training institute again and he can deliver the lectures to you. Why we have hired these many people here? See, all these 16 tutors like what I have now, all these people are currently working. That is the reason why every course timings also, either it will be early in the morning or late in the evening. We cannot take up in the office hours. That is the reason why we have just like opted all these working candidates who can really give us some real-time training, okay, and who can contribute something to us by getting our jobs and all, okay, to get the jobs, to get good knowledge, to clear the interview, okay, they can surely contribute something to you on each and every profile. Even we don't take much people in this SAP FICO program as well, okay. We have a limit of 12 people, so we will be taking only 12 people in a batch, okay. So once after starting the batch, you can see the count. It will be less than or equal to 12 people only, not more than that. Got it? So if you want to enroll, this is the right time. And today you got like 15% discount as well. Just go for it. You can go for the partial payment also. Okay. And we will be providing a 3 months access also. This is a paid access. You'll come to know like once you contact here on this number 8105296858. My team will clearly help you like how to like get access for the server and all, and like how to enroll for the program and everything. You don't need to pay the complete fee at your time. You can see this is a 2 months program. Okay, this is a 2 months program. You can pay like a 60% of the fee initially and you can join the class, and remaining amount you can plan to pay like after 3 to 4 weeks also, not a problem. Okay. If you got huge discount, go for a single installment payment and get the previous batch recordings as well. Okay. And you can start watching this previous batch recording classes as well before the batch start, because initially the first 1 week or 2 week we will be having a only few classes like weekly 2 to 3 classes or weekly 2 classes only for first 2 weeks. After 2 weeks we will be having a regular classes from Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week. If you get any holiday in between, we'll cover up in the Saturday or Sunday. This is how like we are committed towards the students. So plan accordingly. You can go for it. Yes, that's a very good question, Guru. How you can trust us? Okay, if you just go to the Google and if you can search for Raj Informatica, Raj Cloud Technologies, okay, you can see a profile here. Okay, there is a profile here with 1462 reviews. Just click on it. Just click on it. Click on newest. You can see the latest news and the latest reviews about our trainers. Sorry, our students. You can see here 3 days ago a student posted here like 2 days ago, okay, and I think 4 days ago. You can see all our reviews here, okay, how the students felt after taking our training and all. You can just see here, okay. You can just take the confirmation. See, you can just visit our YouTube channel also here, okay. If you can see here, you can see consistently like how many videos that we are uploading on each and every batch start. I'll show you like one pattern now, okay. Not the latest one. I'll just like go some back like a 3 to 4 weeks back. Okay, now it is a 4 weeks back. Okay, so we have started some Informatica cloud classes here. You can see here Informatica batch 14 session number 1. So this is the batch 14. Okay, this is session number 1. Before session number 1, we have done some introduction class. Same 4 weeks, 1 month ago, same. Okay, and before our technical or introduction class, we have done a demo. This is a demo, free live session. This is a demo. This is for 14th batch. I'll show you for the 13th batch as well. Okay, see, batch 13, 2 months ago. 2 months ago, like it is a batch 13, session number 1. Okay, and if you can just go back, you can see the demo video. Okay, this is how you can see the pattern as well. This is the introduction video and the demo video 2 months ago. And if you still go back 3 months ago also, you'll find like one more set. The same Informatica IACS, you'll find one more set as well. This is IDQ. I'll show you that one as well. Batch 12 technical session. Okay, and like a demo session, everything you can see 3 months ago. Okay, this is how you can see this is 3 months ago. Like one more technical session is there. So like that, like you can see everything. You can see the track. You can see the track record of our previous courses as well. Not only SAP FICO, all our courses also. You can just track down. And if you really feel that yes, these people are genuine, not even 99%. Okay, if you really feel as 100%, these people can help me to get a job. If you get that confidence with us, then only you go for the payment and complete the transaction and update to us. We'll complete your enrollment and we'll give you the first 10 class recordings of the previous batch as well. Got it? This is how we function. This is how we work. And if you can see the reviews also here, okay, from the last 4 years that we are operating here from Raj Cloud Technologies on different cloud technologies and different courses here, you can just check it out. Okay, you can just check it out. And you can, I'll just like show you the previous batch one. Just give me a second. Okay. Okay, this is our second batch. Okay. We don't take many people. Okay. We don't take many people. Even if you see the group members, also 16 members. In these 16 members, there will be 4 to 5 members will be the admins. We are the admins. Okay. We are the admins. And so 55 classes we have taken. You can see the Sunday is the last session we have taken. 55 classes we have taken in this batch. Okay. And if you just scroll up, we have just given the complete feedback also. I can show you the feedback as well. Okay, you can see here the feedback. Okay, so the feedback also you can see here. Just give me a second, I'll show you the feedback too. I think they have posted personally to us. I'll show you that one also. So see, this is how like we will be functioning from our end, and we'll try to help each and everyone also. Don't worry about it. Like if you just can trust us for sure. Okay, yeah, I got the this one as well, review as well. I'll show you once again. Okay, see, you can see the review as well. Okay, so he's from SAP batch 2. You can see all the things here. You can see the pros, cons, and like what are the suggestions he given. Everything you can just check it out. And this review is from 5/11/2025. We posted on last Friday. He given the review. You can ask us like how you got these many reviews, these many good reviews in our like a Google Media and like and other media platforms as well. After getting the reviews from them, we will ask them to copy paste in our links like this. Okay. So this is what that we can expect from students end, right? So after completion of the training, like what are the genuine review he will be giving, we will ask them to post like this. That's it. This is what we have done, and this is how like we are providing the trainings from our end. Okay. So just do it from your end and do it consistently. Whenever you are consistent, then definitely it will work for you at any cost. If you are consistently working for it, if you are consistently like learning the concepts, if you are consistently like practicing the things, then definitely it will help you. Definitely it will help you. You can go for it. Okay. Still any questions from anyone? Okay, one more question here. See, no, we don't go for Tamil. Okay, we don't use any regional languages. Why? Because see, English. See, you can. I think like you have seen now. So we will use very simple and easy English where the people can understand very easily. Even the people who someone have a 10 years career gap or 12 years career gap, they don't have any exposure to IT or they don't have any exposure to learning till now. Okay, for these kind of candidates also, they can easily understand our English. This is how like we speak, and we make you understand. Don't worry, if you take 1 to 2 classes consistently, then you will come to our flow. Okay, see, you are going to have 50 plus classes with Deepti. Okay, she can really help you. There is a no big account also. It will be only 12 people. So 12 people easily you can ask all your questions, you can clear all your doubts. Okay, so after clearing the doubt itself, like we'll start the next session. Don't worry about all these things. Okay, we'll help you. We'll take care of each and every aspect and we'll help you. Still any questions from anyone? Okay, so hope everyone have done with their questions and all. Okay, so here is the number 8105296858, and this is our contact number. You can just call us anytime from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. In between these timings, you can call us anytime and you can ask us about your doubts and everything else. Okay, you can contact us anytime. Okay. Yeah, Deeptika, anything else that you wanted to tell to these people?
No, I have done from my side. All their queries, I mean, we have answered already. So,
Done. That's good to hear.
yeah.
So people like I can see enrolled people also here. I can see the new people also. Okay. Harshit, we are teaching FICO, and Deeptika, can you see that question, please? Harshit is asking
So,
something for.
this is for module, different inventory. I mean, like we have different module. So, we have, I mean, this is for FICO. So, we have to yet start with, no?
Yeah, Harshit, like like we
Yeah.
are about to start actually. And coming to FICO, like right now, like we are offering only FICO, like financial investment and controlling only, like we are offering right now. So if you have any questions related to this, you can ask me, or else just connect with me on the WhatsApp number. This is the WhatsApp number and calling number as well. You can just like reach out me on this number. I'll help you. Okay, don't worry. Still, if you haven't shared your name and WhatsApp number, just share it with me now in the chat. Okay, so that like you'll get the WhatsApp group link as well. And so my team will text you personally and they'll help you with the today's session recording as well. Thank you all. Thank you. Thanks for joining session. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you all.